Hi guys, it's Kim. I am here at school. Some of you might know that I'm a school teacher in addition to being a boss babe. And I just wanted to come live because I had some thoughts I wanted to share with you guys this morning. So sometimes I get the questions like, what do you guys do at JigSaw? I want to hear more about what you do. And this morning I was just like, you know what? I'm going live and I'm going to tell everybody exactly what we do. So I just listed off, if you see like the description of this live video, like all the reasons why sometimes people need to sell and they need to sell fast. And typically speaking, they're like things that people don't plan on. I'm talking like death of a spouse, a loss of a job, behind on mortgage payments, relocating. Like there's a number of reasons why sometimes people find themselves in different situations where they need to sell and sell quickly. And at JigSaw, what we do is people get in touch with us. You can go to our website, jigsawinvestmentgroup.com, and you can fill out the contact form there and schedule an appointment with us. But often like what happens is, and we're speaking from like personal experience, so me and Jody and family members of ours, like we've been in situations that's kind of led us to where we are today, because it's interesting when you look back at life, some of the things that you've been through, it's part of like your journey and your purpose of where you are today or what's in the future. So I'm just speaking from like personal experience. And like my sister, for instance, she was in a situation where she was behind on her mortgage payments. She was a single mom. She lost her husband. And at the time, like we just weren't informed and we didn't know what her options were. And unfortunately, I hope none of you have been in this situation, but if you have and you're a single parent, it's pretty scary when you're getting letters basically saying that, you know, your house is going to be taken away from you. And we didn't know like what her options are. When you're in a situation like that, you know, it's not really usually like a situation where you can refinance and get a mortgage. And so my sister, to make sure they had somewhere to live because she didn't want to get evicted having a little one at home, she, you know, walked away from the property and abandoned it and rented. And had she known what I know today with my partner Jody, we would have been able to help her. And that's why I like wanted to come live, because I know there's other people like in that situation, whether like my sister being a single parent because you lost your spouse, or all of a sudden you're like on disability because of an illness, or you lose your job. And these are like, you know, life situations that happen that people don't foresee happening. Nobody plans on these things happening. And unfortunately, they can totally change the course of your life. And at JigSaw, what we do is like we sit down, we customize with you like what's going on, how we can help. Sometimes we can keep someone in their property. Sometimes it might be that we can give you like a cash offer and enough money, you know, for first and last month's rent wherever you're going, and move you out of your property so you don't have to like claim bankruptcy, because that's often what happens when people like end up foreclosing on their property. It ruins their credit for 7 years. So we can come in and like prevent all of that from happening if we just like sit down and help you customize what works for you. We also, because Jody's a realtor, if it makes sense for you to list your property on the MLS, we can do that for you as well. And we do have like a network of cash investors that we work with in the thousands that we guarantee top dollar for your property. We can close in as little as 10 days, or if you want to close in 3 months, 6 months. And there's all different reasons, you know, why people need to sell and sometimes sell fast. And we, as you know, we're both moms, we both have kids, we both work, we like get that life happens and different situations arise that we don't plan on, and we partner with you and just go over like what your situation is and offer you like a customized solution that would work for you. So if you know of anyone that could benefit from this, please share this video, because like my sister had been in that situation, and had we known what I know now, her situation would be completely different today. So I'm hoping that with this information that you are more a little bit informed of some of the things that we offer. There's more that we do, but it was like on my heart this morning. So I'm like, I want to come live because I know there's someone in this situation somewhere. And I think it's because on the way to work, I went by this property and I saw like a warning notice stapled to the front door. And it made me really sad, because you have no idea what people are going through. And this property looks super like well kept up. So you think their financial situation's, you know, good or great. And when I saw the notice on the door this morning, I'm like, you know what? Someone can benefit from hearing this morning. So, you know, share away, because we just never know who needs to hear this message. And have a nice Thursday. All right, I'll talk to you guys. Bye, guys.